Well, Munchie Mafia, it is that time. We really hate saying goodbye. So let's just say a fond good night or a sad little toodaloo. Perhaps even that till next time. Or how about a tap-tap for now? We will be here or on Devil Dog. Because Eddie Ho needs love too. This has been really fun with all our friends, no matter if you are old or new. So before you let that door slam behind you, fondle that like button lovingly, and then go over to Devil Dog to see his boot. Loving and feedback, fetish, love and bestie, affectionately known as Thanksgiving. Oh, says the Devil Dog. Tonight we shout out to Devil Dog. Give a salute to the fierce Marine. He is Mo. Says the Devil Dog. Thank you, Eddie, for being here and for all that you do for everyone. The true embodiment, always faithful. Simplify, Eddie. You do this country proud, but for the love of all things sugar-free, can you please learn how to crack an egg? Says the Devil Dog. Adapt and overcome, mighty soldier. Those chickens are relying on you. Says the Devil Dog. Do you really need all those balls I see? Another crop dusting in your future, bro. Says the Devil Dog. Thanks for coming. And please remember to cook with love and eat with passion. Mo. That Call of Duty ain't playing itself. Eddie, get to it. Now please remember to cook with love and eat with passion. Mo. That Call of Duty ain't playing itself. Eddie, get to it. Says the Devil Dog.
What are you doing, Simi?
Huh?
Huh? Simi?
Hey, you little green prick.
Hey, you little yellow prick.
Is that a prick, or are you just glad to see me? Oh, wait, that's Eddie.
Same thing.
Devil Dog, ooh, right, Devil Dog, ooh, right, go.